I want to go to my beautiful garden, and I won't let anyone go alone.
Alice, I want to go with you too. Me too, I want to go with you, Alice.
Wait for me too, Alice. I want to go with you.
Friends and neighbors are together with Alice.
Let's go to Alice's house. Alice, where are you?
Oh, she is not at home.
Maybe she has left for a walk.
Let's go and find out Alice.
Who is here coming to this side? I was swept into pieces.
No, I am the daughter of this land. I live here for decades. I can eat, drink, and take anything from my land. You devil, go away from here.
Oh, they are here. Alice, we're searching for you.
Oh, you are searching for me. Please come and join us.
Let's join Alice.
I'm tired to sit here. I want to go to another place.
Alice is not happy simply sitting. She wanted to search and find out what is there around.
Oh, Alice hasn't come yet. No, we have to find her by any means.
Let's go and find her.
For us, Alice hasn't returned yet. Friends are worried.
Alice, are you home?
Yes, I am home. Come in. Oh, we are searching for you.
Yes, I'm back home.
devil out of my land. Where are all our friends? Wait here, I'll find them.
We were searching for you.
I sent the devil out of my land. I'm free now. Let's enjoy.